What if everything you have been taught about money is wrong? Imagine two fathers. One, well-educated government employee always telling you to study hard, get a secure job, and save every rupee. The other, a school dropout turned successful entrepreneur, urging you to take risks, build assets, and let your money work for you. Which path leads to financial freedom? Welcome to Trade Investor, where we help Indian retail investors break free from the rat race and achieve true financial independence. Today, we unravel the life-changing lessons from Robert Kiyosaki's global bestseller, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and show you how to apply them right here in India. Introduction: Two dads, two money mindsets. Robert Kiyosaki grew up with two father figures. His biological father, the poor dad, was highly educated, believed in traditional schooling, and valued job security over all else. His best friend's father, the rich dad, was a self-made businessman who taught him the secrets of wealth, investing, and financial independence. Their contrasting views shaped Kiyosaki's understanding of how you as an Indian retail investor can use them to transform your financial life. Lesson 1. The rich dad don't work for money. Money works for them. Most of us are taught to work hard, earn a salary, and climb up the corporate ladder. But Kiyosaki's rich dad flips this idea on its head. The poor and middle class work for money. The rich have money for work for them. In India, we see this everywhere. Parents push children towards stable government jobs or MNCs. The dream is a monthly paycheck and job security. But rich dad teaches the job security is an illusion. True security comes from building assets, investments that generate income, even while you sleep. Actionable insight: don't just work for a salary. Start investing in assets, stocks, mutual funds, real estate, side businesses that grow your wealth over time. Lesson 2. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is the real education. Both dads valued education, but their definitions were worlds apart. Poor dad: go to school, get good grades, and find a job. Rich dad: learn how money works. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth. Kiyosaki argues that our schools rarely teaches us about money, investing, or wealth building. As a result, many educated people remain financially insecure. For Indian investors, don't rely only on formal education. Learn about budgeting, investing, taxes, and risk management. Read books, attend workshops, and follow credible financial channels. Lesson 3. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. This is the book's most famous lesson and the one most people get wrong. Assets put money in your pocket, like stocks, rental property, businesses, while liabilities take money out of your pocket, like personal home loans, car EMIs, credit card debt. Most people, especially in India, think their house is their biggest asset. But if your home doesn't generate income and only incurs expenses, it's a liability. Rich dad's advice: focus on acquiring income-generating assets. Minimize liabilities that drain your cash flow. Practical Indian examples: invest in dividend-paying stocks, REITs, or rental properties. Avoid buying expensive cars or homes on heavy loans unless they generate income. Lesson 4. Mind your own business. Build streams of income. Kiyosaki urges us to mind our own business, not just work in someone else's. The rich focus on their asset, while everyone else focuses on their income statements. This means building multiple streams of income outside your job. In India, this could be side hustles or small businesses, freelancing or consulting, investing in the stock market or mutual fund. Actionable insight: start a SIP, invest in blue chip stocks, or explore a small online business. Don't rely solely on your salary. Diversify your income. Lesson 5. The history of taxes and the power of corporations. Kiyosaki explains how the rich legally minimizes taxes by using corporations and smart tax planning. In India, while the tax system is different, the lessons remains same. Understand how taxes work. Use tax-saving instruments like ELSS, PPF, NPS. If you run a business, learn about GST, business deductions, and compliances. Key takeaway: the rich don't just work hard, they work smart and use the system to their advantage. Lesson 6. The rich invent money, seize opportunities. The rich are not afraid to take calculated risks. They look for opportunities where others see obstacles. The rich invent money. For Indian retail investors, this means being open to new investment avenues like ETFs, REITs, startups, learning to spot undervalued stocks or emerging sectors, not being paralyzed by fear or waiting for the perfect time. A small tip: start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to fail. Lesson 7. Work to learn, not just to earn. Rich Dad encourages working in jobs that teach valuable skills, not just those that pay well. Learn sales, marketing, investing, negotiation, and leadership. These skills are more valuable than any single paycheck. For Indian youth, don't just chase only high salaries. Seek roles or side projects that teach you about money, business, and investing. Lesson 8. Overcoming obstacles like fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance. Kiyosaki identifies 5 main obstacles to financial success. Fear of losing money or failing. Cynicism, doubting every opportunity. Laziness, not taking action. Bad habits like poor spending or saving. Arrogance, thinking you know it all. How to overcome them? Accept that losses and setbacks are part of the journey. Stay curious and keep learning. Take small, consistent actions toward your goal. Lesson 9. Getting started. 10 steps to awaken your financial genius. Kiyosaki closes with practical steps. Find a strong reason why you want to be rich. Set daily goals and review your progress. Choose your friends wisely. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. Master one formula, then learn new ones. Start with what you know, then expand. Pay yourself first. Invest before you spend. Pay your brokers well. Seek good advice and reward those who help you grow. Be an individual investor, not just a saver. Let your money work for you. Learn to manage risk. Don't avoid it. Understand it. Look for opportunities. That is, be proactive, not reactive. Give back, which means help others and grow financially. Key takeaways for Indian retail investors. Let's recap the timeless lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad for our Indian audience. Don't just work for money, make money work for you. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Prioritize financial educations. Schools won't teach you this. Build multiple streams of income. Use tax-saving tools and understand the Indian tax system. Take calculated risks. Don't let fear hold you. Work to learn, not just to earn. Overcome obstacles with discipline and curiosity. Start now. No amount is too small to begin. If you found these lessons eye-opening, imagine how your life could change if you started applying them today. At Trade Investor, we believe financial independence is possible for every Indian retail investor, not by luck, by learning, taking action, and thinking differently. If you enjoyed this audio summary of Rich Dad and Poor Dad, hit like, subscribe, and share your biggest takeaway in the comments. Which lesson will you start with? What's your plan for building assets and achieving financial freedom? Stay tuned for more audiobook summaries, deep dives, and practical investing strategies right here on Trade Investor, where we discuss basics to brilliance. Remember, the journey to wealth starts not with the money, but with the right mindset. Start today. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.